sky's the limit. If you're around the right people, you are going to grow. And the more you talk to people, the more you learn. Being comfortable is not good. Being uncomfortable makes you learn.
Exposure is the greatest pathway to success. Does anyone here want to elevate and take their career and their business to the next level? We wanted to make sure that empowering the next generation is our passion. Anybody have their blueprint, meaning their vision or their plan for when they graduate? We want to challenge you to have a blueprint of success.
You got to constantly learn, get educated from different people, but you got to find the people that really escalated in their careers. Did you know that your minds are actually so different than anyone else's? You know what you guys are? Entrepreneurs.